Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add and connect hosting or domain to Vercel site. So go to Vercel and log into your Vercel account and then select the project that you want to add the domain for. So for example, let me just open up this project here. So I'm going to just open this up. So open up the project. So once you have opened up the project, go to the settings for the project. So go to the settings tab here. So click on it and go to the settings tab. So under the settings tab here, you'll see on your left side menu there is domain option. Click on domain, and then here what we're going to do is we're going to click on this add domain option here. So click on add domain. All right, and then what we're going to do now is simply type in your hosting a domain. Okay, add it and then click on save, and you will see that it says invalid. That's fine. What you have to do now is click on this learn more option here, and then here copy these type, name and value of these details here. You need these details, so you just copy these and we're going to paste these in Hostinger. So copy these details here, and then once that's done, go to Hostinger and log into your Hostinger account. So once you're in Hostinger, click on the domain section here, click on the domain section and then select the domain and then hit on manage next to it. All right, click on the manage option there, and then once that's done, then go to the DNS section here. So click on the DNS tab here, click on it, and then from there you have these details here. So now paste these details, like select the type and then the details here which you just copied, and then hit on add record. And once you have added it, come back to your domains here and then refresh it, and that should now fix up the issue. And that's how you connect it.